Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. But today, instead of cooking, we are gonna make laundry soap. It is super budget friendly. It's literally 3 ingredients for $13. So I wanted to show you, especially in the world we live in right now, we need all the budget friendly things so we can still enjoy life outside of the home. So let me show you the ingredients. So first we're gonna go in with Phil's Napa laundry bar. And then we're gonna add a half a cup of the Arm & Hammer baking soda and half a cup of borax. So these two things, obviously you can do more than just laundry soap with. So you can keep them in your home, and when you need laundry soap again, you'll just buy one of these. This works on all stains. So like grass, dirt, baby, food, whatever kind of stains you've got going on, it works really well with those. My husband works outside a lot. We garden, all the stains, it's gonna get it out. And it's super simple. So all I'm gonna do, we're gonna go in and go ahead and grate this up, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now I have my large like water bath canner on the stove right now, and it's got hot water in there. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and first we're gonna go ahead and shred this guy up. Now I picked this up at my local thrift store. You can pick up one of these. You can use the one that you use for your cheese. I don't, but I know plenty of people who do, and they don't have a problem. And we're just gonna shred it up. You can tell it's like super easy to shred too. It's not hard at all. And it just smells like laundry, All right, the water is almost to be boiling, and I've got all of this shredded up. So I'm just gonna dump it in and stir it up. I kind of like spread it around evenly. I don't think you have to though. That's just what I do. And I really don't make that big of a mess, and I'm a mess maker. I'll show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it looks kind of like cheese, but you're just gonna stir it up as the water gets hot. That's kind of really it. Now, I have a little secret for you, and maybe you know it, but you're gonna need a 5-gallon bucket, okay? And this is mine. And you know where I get it from? I get it from Walmart. This was vanilla old-fashioned buttercream frosting. So you probably know, but Walmart sends in their frostings in a big bucket this size, and then they have like a half-gallon size, I think. But yeah, so I just go to the bakery and I say, can I buy some icing buckets? And they say yes. And normally it depends who's working, but I've gotten them for $1. My husband's gotten them for $2, and we've gotten them free before. So it's whoever's there. But don't go buy a bucket from Lowe's or Home Depot. Just go to Walmart and ask for them in the bakery section. I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my bucket with like half of water before I dump in this hot mixture of soap. Okay, so now we're gonna get this pot and we're gonna pour it in this 5-gallon jug of water. I'm gonna be real careful, so it's not that hot, it's just a little bit hot. And I'll show you what it looks like. So just soap, not too hard. Then, hold on. sorry, I'm having a touchdown. I just wanted you to be able to see it. So now we're going to do half a cup of the borax. And we're going to pour that in. And half a cup of the Arm & Hammer. And I'm just going to stir it up really, really good. This spoon is a little bit long, but you can get a paint stirrer too, if you don't have one long enough. I stir it really good just because I want to make sure everything's mixed up, but that's really about it. Now I have this that I keep my laundry detergent in, so I would fill it up halfway with that laundry detergent and then the rest with water, and I'll stir it up really, really, really good. And then when I go to use it, you can either keep like a spoon and stir it up, or you can shake it really good. Or if you just have like an old laundry detergent bottle and that you fill it up halfway with the detergent and halfway with water, just shake it up really good before you go to use it, and you'll use about a half a cup per laundry load. But that's what I'm gonna do next, is just fill it up. And that's it. Simple as that. Now you've got soap. So it saves me a lot of money every year to do this. So I hope you try it. Your clothes will feel fresh. If you want to add in any other like scents or fragrances or anything you want, you definitely can. But or like those little beads, you know, something that you love. But this right here, it's awesome. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. You're always welcome here. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you soon.